Today we will discuss Python dictionary. Python dictionary. First I am writing example. This dict. Open curly braces. Inside the curly brackets, brand Ford. Next, model Mustang. Next, year 1964. So this is the example. Next, what is dictionary? What is a dictionary? Dictionaries are used to. What is dictionary? Dictionaries are used to store data values in key, and value pairs. This is called dictionary. A dictionary is a collection which is ordered, changeable, and do not allow duplicate values. So dictionaries are written with curly brackets. This is curly brackets and have keys and values. This is the dictionary. So I am create and print a dictionary in Ideally tool. This is my Ideally tool. So inside the Ideally tool, this is a dict. Open curly brackets, close. Keys are placed in double quotes. Brand Ford. Bond Ford. Next, model Mustang. Next, year 1964. This is the dictionary. So after writing example, we have print the dictionary using print statement. Print of this dict. Now let's enter. This is example. This is output. Brand Ford, model Mustang, year 1964. That's it.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.